How to get up to $100 Amazon promo codes. Hello everyone, this is Lisa from Create, Login and Delete. Now let's get started. Launch your preferred browser. Now type in www.wavycoupons.com and search for it. With that, you will be directed to the official website of Wavy Coupons. Now over here, you're gonna find tons of website options. Over here, you'll see the search box. Type in Amazon and search for it. With that, you will get this option, Amazon gift card codes and coupons. Open it. Now at the very top, you will see this option, $100 off, likewise 50% off, $150 gift card, and so on. If you want to use this, all you have to do is click on Sell Coupon. And this is the code. Click on Unlock Code. Once you unlock the code, you can go to the website of Amazon. For that, open a new tab and then type in Amazon and search for it. Now click on this website option, Amazon.com, open it. Amazon promo codes are an effective way to set a discount on your product so that the customers are more enticed to make a purchase. They can either be applied automatically on a listing or redeemed on the select payment page in a customer's cart, much like a gift card. So now you can log into your Amazon account and use this promo code. So that's all for this video. This is how you can get up to $100 promo code on Amazon. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.